Welcome to this energizing breathwork practice to cultivate and effectively conserve energy in you. We shall begin the practice in any comfortable seated position on the mat. Hands are by your side, fairly straight on your spine. Let's take this time to close your eyes, to stay with your thoughts and to connect with your breath. Bring your attention to the natural rise and fall of your chest. With each exhale, soften your muscles. We shall now dive into a pranayama practice. Palms opened up to sky. We're going to Om chant 3 times. Inhale through the nose and exhale as you Om chant out loud. Inhale through your nose. Exhale. Om. Inhale. Exhale. Om. Inhale. Exhale. Om. To release. Belly breathing or 360-degree breath work. To connect more deeper, we're going to place both the hands down to your belly. The inhale is through your nose as you inflate your belly, filling your lungs. Exhale through the mouth. We're going to shrink the core, rounding the back. Inhale. Exhale. Use your mouth. Contract your belly down to your spine. Go deeper. Inhale. Expand. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to hold this breath for the last 10 seconds. Round your spine, chin to chest, and hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 to release. You're going to take a moment to breathe normally. Do the same balloon breath for round 2. Placing your hands on your core, on your belly. Inhale through your nose. Inflate your belly. Nice and round. Exhale. Go closer to the spine as you contract. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And hold in for 10 seconds. Round your spine, chin to chest. Hold your breath for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 to release. Take a moment to breathe normally. Breath retention for the next one. We're just going to inhale, hold the breath for 10 seconds. And we're going to exhale through the nostrils. Let's do it together. Inhale to the bottom of your lungs. A hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, to release through your nose. Inhale. Retain. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. One last time. Inhale. Retain. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. Taking your right hand, the index and the tall finger goes in between the eyebrows. The thumb closes the right nostril. The ring finger closes the left. We're going to alternate the breaths between your left and your right nostrils. Let's do it together. Close your right nostril. Exhale to the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Close left. Exhale to your right nostril. Inhale, right nostril. Close right. Exhale, left. Inhale, left. Close left. Exhale, right. Inhale, right. Close right. Exhale, left. Inhale, left. Close left. Exhale, right. Inhale, right. Close right. Exhale, left. Inhale, left. Close left. Exhale, right. Inhale, right. Close right. Exhale, left. Inhale, left. Close left. Exhale, right. Inhale, right. Close right. Exhale, left. And one last inhale to the left. Close left to exhale to the right. And with that breath work, we release the practice as we place our right hand on the chest and the left hand to your belly. Getting into the normal rhythm of breathing cycles through your nostrils, back to the gentle, soft breath, as we affirm these affirmations out loud or in your mind. Visualize a warm golden light flowing through your body from the top of your head to soothe and relax your body and to fill your cup with energy. We shall bow down for today's practice on the mat as we rub our palms together to form the heat, and gently placing the warmth of your palms down to your eyes. And look into your palms as you gently open your eyes. Thank you so much. Until next time, namaste.